In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple signatures using DocuSign. Whether you're managing multiple projects, need different signatures for different departments, or just want a bit of variety, DocuSign makes it easy to switch between multiple signatures. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, we're headed to DocuSign, a well-known leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Open your web browser and go to their official website, DocuSign.com. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage, where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click that now. Once you're logged in, it will take you to the DocuSign homepage. Navigating from here, you'll want to hover over to the Profile section. On this page, you can access various settings and personalization options for your account. You'll generally find the Profile section represented by either your profile picture or a small icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on Profile to move forward. After accessing your profile, you'll see several options available. What we need to do next is click on Manage Profile. This area is where all your personal settings can be fine-tuned. It's also where you can add or edit details about yourself that pertain to your usage of DocuSign. Once you're on the Manage Profile page, locate and click on Signatures. This is where the magic happens. You'll be given options to create new signatures or modify existing ones. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It will be in a section closely tied to your personal information, usually with a clear label. Upon entering the Signature section, you can add a new signature by clicking an option like Add New Signature or Create Signature. Here, you can either draw your signature using a mouse or stylus, type it in to generate a formatted signature, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. DocuSign allows up to 3 active signatures, so feel free to be creative. If you ever need to delete or switch between your signatures, just revisit this Signatures page. Here, DocuSign provides a seamless way to manage each signature settings, ensuring you have just the right one for each document you handle. That's it. With these steps, you've added multiple signatures to your DocuSign account, empowering you to handle a variety of document needs with ease and professionalism. Keep in mind that having the right signature for the right situation can help streamline your workflow and maintain consistency across your official documents. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.